never walked up on your mans, you probably never raised them. Hey, I'm a real Hoover. This some shit you can't rehearse. Woo. What's the deal? What's the deal, loved ones? What's the deal? Tap in. What we talking about? What's going on? Smash that like when you come on. You already know. Let's light up that pack, and we about to talk about whatever. What's the deal? What's the deal with the Stockton? What's the deal with the Ishmael gang? Smash that like button when you log in. Let's go. The most hated and the most underrated. It's your local MILK74. Do Mexican gangs really run LA streets? Y'all got some crazy questions, bro. There'll be some crazy questions on here. Like, where do y'all even come up? Like, where do y'all even be coming up with these questions at? Yeah, the most hated and the most underrated. We passed up all them clowns that was talking in the beginning. You understand what I'm saying?